Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this is a Matchbox Superfast Dodge Charger Mark III. The model was introduced in 1970 in metallic purple with a metallic green bottom plate. In 1972 the color was changed to metallic green with a red bottom plate. The model lasted until 1976 when it was replaced with a boat, the police lounge. The plate value of the model consisted of an opening cockpit, revealing a simple but pretty accurate interior. This model was based on the 1968 Dodge Charger Mark III concept car. The Mark III Charger was never meant to go in production, but was more of a showcase of the design and concepts that Dodge was developing. Although the streamlined design of the Mark III Charger made it into the Dodge Viper GTS. The most striking elements of the Charger were of course the jet plane-like canopy that tilted upwards, revealing a two-seater interior with a small steering console that could swivel. The rear of the car had brake flaps that helped the car to slow down. The Dodge Charger on the turntable has seen things. Although the casting itself looks to be in pretty good condition, the model is in a very rough shape, with missing paint, bent and rusty axles and a broken windscreen. Lesney loved to do concept cars and quite a few have gone over my workbench now. As you know, I'm also a fan of making the concept cars look like the originals instead of restoring them. The original Dodge Charger Mark III was sprayed in metallic red and of course that's the color I have ready. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The Dodge Charger Mark III was an American concept car that was made to showcase design and technological improvements of the manufacturer and was never meant to be mass-produced. Like so many concept cars, Lesney licensed it and made a model of it. This one was in dire need of a restoration, with rusted and bent axles, a broken windscreen and very little of its original metallic pink paint left. I went for the Tamiya metallic red, as this comes very close to the original color of the concept car. I cleaned and refreshed the wheels, replaced the axles and replaced the windscreen. It doesn't fit very well, but this is a common problem with this model, as the plastic windscreen shrinks over time, making it hang down and push up the canopy. Maybe some heat can improve this, but since this was my only window, I didn't want to take any chances. And as promised, I did some last minute detailing on the front grille. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.